Hi friends, today we are going to learn about orientation effect in organic chemistry. So what is orientation effect in organic chemistry? In case of monosubstituted benzene, group present on phenyl ring control position of incoming group. This effect is known as a orientation effect. Activating group orient incoming group when it is electrophile at ortho and para position. Similarly, activating group oriented incoming group when it is nucleophile, that is electron rich at meta position. This is known as a orientation effect. Similarly, deactivating group orient incoming nucleophile at ortho and para position. Also, deactivating group orient incoming group, that is electrophile at meta position. So this depends upon which charge acquired by ortho and para position. So why this orientation effect is observed? Orientation effect is observed due to when activating group attach to phenyl group, they donate electron by plus I or plus R effect. Then there is more electron density at ortho and para position, that is ortho and para position become electron rich. Hence electrophiles having positive charge are attracted towards ortho and para position of phenyl ring. Similarly, when incoming group is nucleophile, as it is electron rich, it attracted towards less electron density position, that is meta position. Hence nucleophile in this case attracted towards meta position. Orientation effect is observed due to deactivating group is they exert minus I or minus R effect. Due to these two effects, more electron density are withdraw and hence ring become electron deficient. Due to this, ortho and para position are electron deficient and acquire delta positive charge. So in this case, when another electrophile is attack on ring, then it should not be attack on ortho and para position, it attack on meta position. This is due to phenyl ring is somewhat electron rich on meta position. Similarly, when incoming group is nucleophile, then it attract towards ortho and para position, as these positions are somewhat electron deficient and this nucleophile is electron rich, so it definitely attracted towards ortho and para position. What are activating groups and deactivating groups? Groups which increases electron density on phenyl ring by donating electrons due to plus I effect or plus R effect known as activating groups. Deactivating groups are the groups which decreases electron density on phenyl ring by withdrawing electron due to minus I effect or minus R effect, called as a deactivating groups. Classification of activating groups. So activating groups are further classified into three categories. Strongly activators. This group give maximum electron to phenyl ring. These group generally exert strong plus R effect. Example are Nr2, NH2, OR. As N and O acquire lone pair of electron, they strongly donate their lone pair by resonance effect. Second is moderately activators. These group give partially electron to phenyl ring. These group have weak plus R effect. For example, OCOR, NHCOR groups. In this case, as oxygen carries a lone pair of electron, but this oxygen attached to CO group, which exert minus I effect. So due to this, oxygen do not completely donate its lone pair to phenyl ring. Hence, they are moderately activators group. Similarly, in case of NHCOR, weakly activators group, these group give very less electrons to phenyl ring. These group exert plus I effect only. For example, alkyl groups. Generally, tertiary alkyl, secondary alkyl groups exert plus I effect. So, due to plus I effect, they activate ring, but they are not activate as a large extent as R plus group done. So they are weakly activators group. Now we move towards classification of deactivating groups. They are also further classified as strongly deactivators, moderately deactivators, weakly deactivators. So in this case, strongly deactivators group, they exert strong minus R effect. So due to this, they withdraw maximum electron density from phenyl ring. Due to this, they are strongly deactivating group. Example are minus NO2 SO3H groups. Second, moderately deactivate. These groups withdraw partially electron from phenyl ring. These groups have weak minus R effect. For example, aldehyde group or ketonic group. They are moderately deactivators group. They withdraw electron from phenyl ring. Third is weakly deactivators group. These group exert minus I effect and somewhat less plus R effect. For example, halogens. So this is all about activating group, deactivating group, and orientation effect. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends as I come up with new video on organic chemistry. So please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.